Today, May 15, 2025, marked the long-awaited opening of world premiere. To celebrate the completion of this major year-long project, Walt Disney Imagineering Paris teams gathered in front of the impressive Disney Theater neon sign to immortalize this symbolic moment. The Imagineers celebrated this accomplishment with a group picture bringing together all the expertise involved in this wonderful project: artistic directors, producers, architects, engineers, and more. Formerly known as Disney Studio One, World Premiere represents a new key milestone in the transformation of the second park of Disneyland Paris, which will become Disney Adventure World when the extension opens in 2026. This reimagined entrance sequence now transports guests to the heart of a Hollywood premiere, under a permanent starry sky. Here, guests can stop to eat at the Hollywood Gardens restaurant, discover the menu of the Hollywood Gardens restaurant, World Premiere's newest dining offering, open as of today. Stroll through the elegant Mickeys of Hollywood Boutique, or admire the Disney and Los Angeles references scattered around every corner. World Premiere also leads the way to the many theaters of World Premiere Plaza, and serves as a gateway to the various immersive worlds such as Marvel Avengers Campus or World of Frozen. While the construction site itself lasted about a year, Walt Disney Imagineering Paris teams began working on the project 3 years ago. They first had to write the new story of the place, study the structure of the existing building, and explore various design ideas, before deciding on technical and material solutions to prepare for the site's transformation into world premiere. An ambitious schedule, to say the least, that mobilized numerous teams at Disneyland Paris, especially for this location used by all guests every day in the middle of a much frequented theme park. As for World Premiere Plaza, the transformation will continue in the coming months to ensure it is fully ready when the extension opens in 2026.